How to post on LinkedIn. So today I'm going to show you how to create a post for your LinkedIn network. We are currently on the home screen of LinkedIn on desktop, and you'll see down the middle we have the newsfeed, which is where we're going to post. So click on, at the top beside your face, click on Start a Post, and it says what do you want to talk about. So you can type directly in here, but what I quite like to do is prepare my posts in advance. And I have created a post over here. So my post is 4 short paragraphs long. It introduces the topic at the start. I give some context, I give some helpful advice, and then I ask a question of my network below. So we are just going to copy this. I'm going to go across to LinkedIn and we're going to click paste. So have you added a cover image to your LinkedIn profile? There's my text. And what I recommend that you do is you can then add a photograph. So I'm going to click a photograph and select images to share. And I want to show examples of templated cover photographs, which suits for this post that I'm currently writing. So there are the examples. We're going to click done. So have you added a cover image? Just check that it all coordinates. Share one below that you think stands out, and yes, you can share your own. And then I'm going to do between 3 and 5 hashtags. So hashtag LinkedIn cover, hashtag LinkedIn tips. So you want these hashtags to be related to the content that you're sharing and also relevant to your audience. And we'll choose hashtag branding because LinkedIn is suggesting it to us below. And then to complete what we're doing, we want to click on post here. And that is how you create a post for LinkedIn. Now you can see your post in the newsfeed. If you find this useful, then please do hit subscribe. Any questions you have about creating content for LinkedIn, please put them in the comments below. I would be delighted to answer the questions that you have.